Austin here. It's 2 o'clock. Yeah, everything's all right.
Okay. You check in again at 6.
All right.
You move and I'll cut your neck, pig. Who else is in the house?
The aunt's upstairs.
And the girl? Your mummy wants to see you, Lucy.
What do you mean you don't have enough men? I don't want to hear that. Those roadblocks stay. And you check every car that's got a kid in it. Yeah, I got the authority. You can go to the commissioner for all I care, pal. Don't they know what's going on here?
Austin has come out of surgery.
When can he talk?
They can't say.
2 men by his bed, beside it. He's sized. I want to know about it.
Okay.
Good morning.
Where the hell have you been? Anything?
Whatever happened to thank you? Thank you for getting here so quickly.
Listen, you want to spend your day off murdering grouse in the country, that's your business. They could be anywhere by now.
Hey, Lieutenant, slow down. It's me, Makepeace, your partner.
All hell is breaking loose here, partner.
Where's Vikings?
Fighting for his life in court.
Is this her?
Yeah. Lucy Bailey. 11 years old.
Pretty.
They're animals. We've been at this since 6 o'clock this morning. No messages, no sightings, no nothing.
Well, they're not going to want to move her around much, not at her age.
What'd the judge say?
We got the adjournment. 2 days. But when the daughter of your star witness is abducted the night before the trial, His Honor is not impressed.
What about Burton?
Sat in the dock looking the picture of innocence. All smug and untouchable. Took me nearly 4 years to get that bastard Burton before the courts. One of the biggest drug dealers in this city. And when
Mother's here, Gov. She wants to see you.
Where is she?
Interview room.
Might help if I come with you.
They wouldn't hurt her, would they? They couldn't.
We'll get her back, Mrs. Bailey.
The hearing's been adjourned for 2 days. That gives us some time.
And if you haven't got her by then?
We keep adjourning.
Until they kill her? I'm not giving evidence.
That would make matters worse.
No. No, I'm going to tell the judge it was all lies. I was put up to it.
You can't do that.
Now, listen, Mrs. Bailey, very carefully. If you change your testimony and Burton walks free, the chances for Lucy are slim. Now, as long as we have Burton, we have a chance.
They have my daughter. I am going to give them what they want.
Austin has come up with a positive ID on his assailant.
Who is it?
A guy named Eddie Dean.
Hell.
You know him?
Small, dark, ex-commando. Nutter of the first order.
Now, this isn't the same guy that blew up the ferry boat.
That's the one.
Hey, sounds like a fun guy.
Oh, that poor child.
All right. I want you two to find Dean. And I don't care how you do it. You have open authorization from me to do whatever is necessary. No restrictions. You have 2 days.
Hi, you guys.
Nice moving, Ricky.
Yeah, man, got greased lightning on my wheels.
Why don't you put some of it on your tongue, Mr. Grant?
Rude.
What?
Ricky Rude. Changed my name by deed poll.
Cute.
I know, and the girls love it.
Not this one. We're looking for Eddie Dean.
Who?
Hey, he's got a habit. You deal in his neighborhood, so don't mess me around. You ever tried skating in a cell? Really makes your turns perfect.
Man, you gotta give me some time. You just gotta wait.
Sure. We've got till tomorrow.
There's no way you're gonna find Eddie. Guys, I got a shift. Bye.
Now listen, no more cool jive. This is important. It's special, okay? Look at me. Look at me. I can do anything I want on this. It's official. You get my drift?
Okay.
Okay, then you think hard and you think real fast, because I'm getting edgy.
Keith. Keith's somebody. But he's not good to you.
Why is that?
The man's banged up.
Does a guy like to drive American cars, wear a feather in his hair?
Yeah, that's him.
Lyman?
Lyman. That's the guy.
All right, Ricky, go make your appointment.
I'll get out. And I'll have you.
Well, if there's one person in the entire world that is not going to want to help us find Eddie Dean, it's Lyman.
You never know.
Who would have thought?
So he's been the model inmate, eh?
He's even been transferred to a medium security prison.
Smart. It's a wonder nobody's lived to regret it yet.
Glowing reports from the social workers, the lot.
How long has he got left?
Another 7, maybe 4 with good behavior.
This could be a break for us.
Oh, sure. I can see it now. You walk in there. Hi, Lyman. Nice cell you've got here. Having a good time? Well, we just want you to do a little favor for us.
There are ways. I know how he thinks.
How can you know a man who's totally unpredictable? And probably a psychopath?
We gotta use him.
Dempsey, we're trying to save a little girl's life. Not
Not what?
pursue some personal vendetta of yours. You've got a thing about this guy. Now, you and he are trouble, and you know it.
The only thing I know is that there's a little girl who's got maybe, just maybe, 24 hours left. And we got nothing. Except Lyman. The sergeant and me, we got an idea.
I'm listening.
There's this guy in prison.
Who?
That's not so, the point is that this guy can lead us to Dean.
The lieutenant and I feel that if we could put a deal together...
A really good deal. A really, really good deal.
We would be able to get the cooperation of the prisoner.
Something like a pardon.
Can you swing it?
Well, if the child is saved as a direct result of this person's assistance, yes. Who are we talking about?
Keith Lyman.
You go along with this.
It seems to be the only way.
All right. I'll get the necessary paper together.
Oh, you don't really have to bother. I mean, this is not really a paperwork job.
You mean this is something I don't want to know about, correct?
Lyman, you're being transferred.
Just when I was getting to like it here.
Your new home isn't going to be as nice. Cigarette?
so long?
Traffic was bad. Enjoy the ride? We got all the amenities. Remember these? See, officially, you're released into my custody.
But the world, and in particular Eddie Dean, thinks you're on the run and in need of help.
So all you gotta do is ask the right questions in the right places and flush them out for us. In exchange for which, you get a full pardon.
Don't think we're making a very big impression, Lieutenant.
Maybe he likes it inside. Listen, I can get you back as fast as I got you out. Maybe faster.
Should we give him some time to think it through?
All right. Take your time. You got 5 minutes.
If this doesn't work, what's plan B?
There ain't gonna be a plan B.
What if he turns us down?
He can't turn us down.
Then what's he thinking about?
Listen, I may be the guy he hates most in the world. Maybe he spent the last 2.5 years thinking about how he was going to get even with me. Now, all of a sudden, the same guy, namely me, is offering him his freedom. That's gotta hurt.
Maybe it hurts too much.
In that case, you're in charge of Plan B.
Oh, thanks a bunch.
I can't do everything, Makepeace.
How do I know this is on a level?
Trust me.
Speak to the boss.
Press the speak.
It's Lyman.
Spikings,
This deal, it's solid?
the Assistant Commissioner has agreed. Home Office approval is a formality, provided you deliver the girls safely. That's official.
Satisfied?
Best deal you'll ever be offered, Lyman.
I can find Eddie Dean. Only, I don't feel like taking the deal.
This carrot's got a big downside. You better think about the consequences.
What have you got on me?
How about escaping from custody? That ought to be worth about 4 years. On top of what you got to go back to. And I'm just the man to fit you up to see you get every one of them. And believe me, if that little girl dies, that's exactly what I'm going to do.
You're a real bastard.
Yeah.
Okay. You got a deal.
Where do we start?
One man will know where he is, his half-brother. He skipped bail months ago, but, he's about.
Where do we find him?
We don't find him. I work alone.
And the next thing we hear, you're in Rio.
Keys.
One hour. We'll be waiting right here.
Any news?
Not yet. I thought you might like this. We're working on some strong leads. We could call you at home.
I want to stay.
I understand.
No, you don't. I worked my heart out to get out of the gutter, to leave the burdens of this world behind. Just as soon as I do.
We're on the same side, Christine.
Whatever you say, Superintendent.
We should be working together for Lucy.
For Lucy? Some ex-hooker's kid, sure. You want Burton, another conviction to your credit. We're all just pawns in your game.
It's one thing getting out of the gutter. It's another leaving it behind. You have to learn to trust people a little in this world.
So I got Lucy into this mess. I trusted you.
Charlie 5 to control.
Any progress at your end?
Negative.
Understatement of the year.
Put out a priority alert for vehicle registration A882JLB.
Discreet. Isn't that?
Yeah. Just put out an alert for Keith Lyman, too.
You mean?
Charlie 5 over an hour.
S03E06
It's me.
Who? You around?
Yeah.
What, parole?
No. I've got claustrophobia, done a runner.
Oh.
So, what's happening?
Nothing. Same old neighborhood. What are your plans?
Never have plans, George.
Who makes plans, right?
Where's Annie?
I haven't seen her for years. She was working at the Crown last I heard.
Well, if you see her, tell her I'm looking for her.
Keys are there. Maybe he's still around.
Nah, I'll have another car by now.
Oh.
He came here to get his hair done. Where will he go next?
Dempsey, what does it matter? We have to find another way to Eddie Dean, and quick.
He's still our best chance.
Are you sure that's the only reason why you want to keep after him?
What do you want? Look, I've told you all I know. I wouldn't lie to you.
Where is she?
I told you I don't know.
Do you see your motor?
Yeah.
No. Where is she? I'm not going to ask you again.
Charlie 5 here.
Positive ID Lyman. Spotted cruising down North Street in black Trans Am. Over.
Got it, over and out.
Now look, Annie, George. Keith's out. No. Yeah. He's been round here looking for you. He's on his way there now. I had to. You know what he's like. A couple of minutes ago. Yeah. I don't know. I don't think so. Hey, listen. Listen to me. You better think what to do about Kevin when he hears about it. Well, that's your problem.
Annie. I've been looking for you.
I can explain.
Good.
Looking for a guy named Lyman.
Get a lot of guys in here.
With plaits in their head?
No, sorry.
What about one of your girls?
Well, you can ask them if you like. But men with plaits don't usually come to places like this, do they?
Got a liquor license here, do you?
Yeah.
And you want to stay in business?
Think you had trouble? You ain't seen nothing.
Okay. Okay. Lyman was here, looking for Annie.
Is that one of your girls?
No way, she was his girlfriend.
Was?
Well, when he went inside, she took up with another bloke. He's going balmy. He even tried to attack Clive here.
Where does she live?
I didn't tell you, right?
I got a life to lead too, you know.
Sure.
Kevin doesn't mean anything to me. Hey, come back to bed.
You've got a razor, isn't it?
Yeah, in the bathroom.
How about something to eat?
Priority request. Backup units to 12 Broughton Street, EC2. Over. Take the next turning on the left.
Where's that food, Annie? Hello, Kevin.
You bastard.
Wasn't expecting you to sing.
Well, they're broadcasting it all over the neighbourhood.
Should we wait for the others?
Yeah, sure. I'll take the front door, you take the back.
Police!
I thought we had a deal.
What deal?
You're gonna leave me Eddie Dean's brother.
Half-brother.
Where is he?
You just shot him.
Just arrived.
been cleared. Sent from Hampstead.
How's the girl? Still asleep. Good. She's a nice kid. Huh? Pity, really.
What is?
Ah, I quite like one of my own. Check the perimeter and take Cliff with you. What about the girl? Uncle Eddie's here. Hello there, Princess.
Is that Lucy's?
I've got to get Burton off. Change my story, or they will kill her.
The minute Burton walks from that court a free man, we've lost all our bargaining power. Lucy will be of no further value to them. That's when they'll do it.
No.
He's lost a lot of blood. They had to operate immediately.
Did he say anything at all?
Well, he mumbled some obscenities as they put him under.
How long is he going to be out?
Well, the operation could take 3 hours. Then you have to allow 3 hours for the anaesthetic to wear off. And then he may go into a deep natural sleep, so they don't know.
It's too late anyway. The trial's at 10.
Here are his things. House keys, change,
Wallet, credit card, driver's license, 10 pounds.
chewing gum used.
What's this? Got a 6?
Mm-hmm.
Eddie, 6, Kirby's. 6 is tomorrow.
And Cubbies?
It's a local greasy spoon. Opens early.
What's happening in there?
Nothing much. Just a couple of truckers.
How about the owner?
Very nice. Wants to take me out for a pint. And there's no way in through the back.
My nose tells me something's wrong here, Makepeace.
Well, let's hope your nose is wrong, for Lucy's sake.
I sat up all night last night, wondering what it would be like without her.
We're getting closer. Let's apply for another adjournment. Just 2 days.
My lawyer has instructions to say I was lying.
Car's ready, go.
Time we went.
How about him?
Yeah, I've seen him with Eddie.
Who is he?
Dunno.
Let's get him. Come on.
Whose is this?
Kevin Dean brought it in, but it belongs to a mate of his.
Open it up.
This side's not locked.
What's wrong with it?
Gearbox gone. I'd say it's been getting some rough treatment.
Been in the country?
Well, it's not got like this driving around town.
Looks like Kevin was the delivery boy.
Crossbow?
Don't make much noise if you want a bit of target practice.
Was there some place he liked to go?
Yeah, lots of them. Eddie liked to get away, camp out, you know what I mean?
Well, is there somewhere close to town, somewhere that he couldn't make much noise?
Yeah, there is one.
All clear?
Yeah, nobody around.
Goody.
We're almost certain we found Lucy.
Almost.
There are men on the way there now.
But they haven't actually got her.
No.
We can get closer from here.
Didn't get anything then?
Where's Kevin?
Hasn't turned up.
Get the guy to the caravan.
Probably in a pub somewhere off.
Get her in there!
The girl must be in the caravan.
Yeah, we can't risk a shootout. I'll go around the back. You cover me.
Lyman!
Carrying on. Do another one?
Yeah.
I mean, you say you said bloody punt. Let's have a punt. Good shot. Good.
Where's Lyman?
He's done a runner.
Get Lucy to the car.
Lucy!
Monroe!
Deep breath. Come on. Okay, go. Go, keep going.
So long, Sundance.
Drop back!
Christine! I've got somebody who wants to talk to you.
Press that button left. Lucy?
Yes?
Lucy?
Well done.
It's a full pardon.
I don't have to go back?
No, you're free. You want to live somewhere?
I'll find my own.